Here's a scrap metal trick for recycled batteries that scrap metal yards don't want you to know. Okay. Pallet full of batteries, probably 600 odd kilos here. They're all heavy storage batteries. They're traction batteries out of a golf buggy system. Okay, so you got a significant quantity of weight already. What's wrong with a bad battery? Normally they boil themselves, etc. Things like that happen. So one quick way to maximise the amount of dollars you get out of the scrapyard is fill them all up. Now, you get about 1,000 litres of water for $1, and they're going to give you 40-50 cents a kilo. The math is pretty simple. One, you want to wash the batteries down anyway if you're going to be handling them. I couldn't do that when they were in the shed because these were all in the back of the workshop. All those cells are quite low. So let me show you here in a couple of minutes. We could probably add 100 kilos of liquid to this setup. All you need is a big flat blade screwdriver, multi-grips. Now if you're screwing them to a merchant, they're just on selling them, so keep that in mind. They're only going from one place to another. They'll all go get taken and recycled. By the time they get recycled, it won't be water anymore, it'll be like an electrolyte mix. And nobody's any the wiser. So the big thing to consider when you do this is you don't want to be doing just your average car battery. Those ones, you're not going to get a great deal in them. And just like you buy your piece of steak with a bone in it, you're going to sell batteries by the kilo, you make sure they're full. These are gel batteries, but it doesn't matter. There's those ones that I bought. We thought we were going to be able to save. And we put it on autopilot. You simply go through. Best thing about water is you know that every litre is a kilo. We're running up 2 or 3 litres a minute. If you've got a pallet full of batteries like this, or several, if you're on a farm or something like that, give one of the farm hands $20 and tell them to fill them all. Before you know it, you'll come back no worries at all. Once you've got all the caps back on, give them a squirt so they're not nasty to handle. Probably more like 5 litres a minute, it's a pretty steady stream. Just wash all that crap off them. It's nasty and acidic. So you can go and add 100 kilos to a battery pack like this. You're adding 4 or 5 car batteries. Obviously everywhere's different with what they pay per kilo, but I think I'm going to get about 50 cents a kilo. That makes $1 of water worth 50 cents when I'm paying a cent for 10 litres. So turning 1 cent into $5. Obviously works better with a quantity like this. You don't want to be doing one or two. One thing you will notice with these gel cells is they'll appear full to begin with, but they'll actually take more again. It's okay if you've got a few of them, so you can do like a lap. One's already got a hole in the side of it. It's inside them anyway. So they weren't a total failure. I did pay too much for them, but they weren't a failure. That being said, a lot of them produce energy. They produce videos as well, content about them, etc. And you want to put all your caps back on and you take them back in. That one's empty. Failed vehicle batteries are always good. They're normally quite empty. Yeah, this is a trick that the scrapyards wouldn't want you to know, but there you go. Heavier they go back, the more they're worth. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you in the next video.